Pioneers waited patiently, holding on to hope and curiosity, wondering if their digital holdings would ever reach the broader world, or if their efforts would truly pay off. That moment is finally here. Pi Network is being listed on Binance, the world's largest and most influential crypto exchange, opening the doors to a new era. This is more than just a listing. It's a bridge connecting Pi's grassroots community to the vast global financial marketplace, empowering everyday people to participate in the digital economy. Pi is now stepping onto the world stage, unlocking new possibilities for millions and redefining what a people-powered digital economy can be. The future is bright, and the journey is just beginning. The experiment in social finance has reached a critical new phase, and together we are witnessing the dawn of a new chapter in digital currency history. What does a Binance listing mean? It's more than just a technical event. It's a seismic shift in the world of cryptocurrency. For any digital asset, being listed on Binance is like being invited to the world's biggest financial stage, where the eyes of millions are watching. Imagine a local musician suddenly going global. Pi is about to reach millions overnight. This is the moment when Pi transforms from a niche project into a global phenomenon, opening doors to new opportunities and audiences everywhere. Binance is the epicenter of crypto trading, offering unmatched legitimacy and visibility. It's where the world's top traders, investors, and innovators gather, and now Pi is joining their ranks. For years, skeptics doubted Pi because it wasn't traded openly. Many questioned its future, wondering if it would ever break into the mainstream. Binance's rigorous vetting silences those doubts. Their approval is a stamp of credibility, showing that Pi has passed some of the toughest standards in the industry. This listing signals to the world that Pi is a serious, credible project. It's a message to investors and users alike. Pi is here to stay, and it's ready for the big leagues. Instantly, Pi is introduced to millions of traders and newcomers, accelerating adoption at an unprecedented rate. The doors are now open for anyone, anywhere, to participate in the Pi ecosystem. The network effect kicks in. Suddenly, every new user adds value, and the community grows stronger with each connection. As more people join, Pi's value and utility grow exponentially. The project evolves from an idea into a living, breathing economy. For pioneers, this is validation. Their patience and belief are finally rewarded. Years of dedication and hope are now paying off in real time. Their digital assets now have real-world value and new financial possibilities. What was once just a vision is now a tangible asset with global reach. The listing fulfills the promise that collective belief can build something extraordinary. It's proof that a united community can achieve what once seemed impossible. Pi's journey from closed network to global marketplace is a testament to the power of community. It's a story of perseverance, innovation, and shared vision. This is not just a milestone for Pi, but a turning point for people-powered finance. It marks the beginning of a new era where everyday people shape the future of money. The world is watching as Pi steps into the spotlight, ready to redefine what's possible in the world of digital finance. What happens when a cryptocurrency like Pi finally gets listed on a major exchange such as Binance? It's a pivotal moment, not just for the project, but for the entire community that's been waiting for this breakthrough. The listing process begins with a coordinated launch. Binance announces the listing, and anticipation builds as the countdown to trading goes live. Suddenly, Pi is available to millions of users worldwide, and it's opening the doors to a new era of accessibility and opportunity. First comes price discovery. For the very first time, the open market determines Pi's value, as buyers and sellers from across the globe place their orders in real time. The price can swing wildly in these early moments, reflecting excitement, speculation, and the true demand for Pi. Next is liquidity. Binance's massive user base ensures that Pi can be traded quickly and efficiently, with high volumes and tight spreads. This liquidity makes Pi a more stable and attractive asset, encouraging even more participation from traders and investors. Now, anyone in a region where Binance operates can access Pi instantly. This democratizes participation, allowing people from all walks of life to join the network, trade, and invest, fueling global growth and expanding Pi's reach far beyond its original user base. This open access doesn't just attract new users, it also brings in fresh capital, talented developers, and innovative entrepreneurs. The Pi ecosystem becomes a magnet for new ideas, partnerships, and projects, driving rapid innovation and development. Behind the scenes, teams from both Pi and Binance work tirelessly to ensure everything runs smoothly. They set up secure wallets, enable seamless deposits and withdrawals, and maintain a robust trading infrastructure to handle the surge in activity. For users, this means a seamless, intuitive experience, fast trades, secure transactions, and instant access to their assets. For Pi, it's a major leap forward, marking its entry into the premier league of digital finance and global markets. The listing itself is like a technical handshake between Pi and the world's financial infrastructure. Pi is now officially ready for its public trading debut, signaling trust and credibility to the broader market. But this is more than just a market event. It's the beginning of Pi's integration into the global financial system. The network now has the potential to connect with other assets, services, and economies worldwide. The world's eyes are on Pi as it steps into this new era. News outlets, analysts, and crypto enthusiasts everywhere are watching closely, eager to see how Pi will perform and evolve. The stage is set for exponential growth, breakthrough innovation, and real-world impact. Pi's journey is just beginning, and its future is full of possibilities. The experiment is now live. Let the trading begin, and watch as Pi shapes the next chapter of digital finance. Welcome to the next chapter of Pi Network, a bold step into the future of global finance. Pi Network's journey began in 2019, founded by Stanford grads aiming to make crypto accessible to all. Their mobile app let anyone mine Pi, sparking rapid global growth and a diverse community. The project advanced through careful phases: testnet, then enclosed mainnet, where users could migrate Pi but not trade externally. This walled garden allowed safe, real-world use and app development before opening to the world. In February 2025, Pi launched its open network, enabling public trading and listings on exchanges like BitGet and Kraken. Each step built momentum, preparing Pi for its ultimate milestone, a listing on Binance. Today, Pi's community-driven vision is finally connected to the global market. When Pi became tradable in early 2025, excitement soared as it debuted near $3. Years of anticipation fueled the initial surge, but as with many cryptos, the price soon corrected. Pi dropped over 90%, testing the resolve of its community. Many speculators left, but true pioneers stayed, focusing on building and using the network. This period filtered out short-term profit seekers, leaving a core of dedicated supporters. Rumors of a Binance listing sparked renewed optimism and a modest price recovery. Community polls showed overwhelming demand for a major listing. Pi's price history is more than numbers. It's a story of hope, resilience, and belief in a shared digital future. The community spirit remains Pi's greatest asset. The Binance listing transforms Pi from a closed asset to a global financial tool. Pioneers can now trade, invest, or use Pi for real-world transactions, unlocking new utility. New users can join instantly by purchasing Pi, expanding the network's reach and diversity. This influx of capital and participants fuels further development and innovation. With opportunity comes risk. Volatility is expected, and new investors should approach with caution and research. The blend of grassroots passion and professional investment creates a dynamic, robust ecosystem. Developers are incentivized to build, knowing there's both a large user base and deep liquidity. The virtuous cycle of growth, utility, and adoption begins now. Pi's future is shaped by both its pioneers and its newest members. A Binance listing brings hype and volatility. Expect price spikes and corrections as excitement meets reality. Short-term swings are natural, but they don't define Pi's long-term potential. True value will be built over months and years through real-world use and ecosystem growth. The key questions: will developers build dApps? Will businesses accept Pi? Can the technology scale? The listing is just the starting gun. The real race is for lasting utility and adoption. The community's focus must shift to building tangible value. Pi's future depends on its usefulness in everyday life, not just market speculation. The journey is just beginning. Utility is the engine that will carry Pi forward. Now the real work begins, expanding Pi's digital ecosystem. The Pi browser and developer platform are the foundation for new dApps and services. Developers worldwide can now build social platforms, marketplaces, games, and more, all powered by Pi. Real-world utility, like paying for coffee or hiring freelancers, will drive sustainable value. A circular economy emerges as Pi is earned, spent, and re-earned within the network. The community's role is crucial. Pioneers are the first users, testers, and advocates for new apps. The future of Pi lies in the hands of its builders and users, not just traders. The Binance listing is the key. The community will build the house. The Binance listing is more than a technical milestone. It's proof of what a united global community can achieve. Pi challenges old ideas about money and inclusion, empowering millions worldwide. Its value will be measured by the ecosystem it builds and the people it empowers. The next chapter is about real-world impact, decentralized payments, financial access, and creative empowerment. The journey from mobile app to global asset is a story of human collaboration. Now, the foundation is set. The real work of building a better digital world begins. For pioneers, investors, and builders alike, this is a chance to shape the future. The science of community is just getting started.